back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to be doing some fried chicken in a kind of sticky Chinese style. Quite a few different ingredients into this one, but it is actually quite simple, and yes, it's delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's jump straight in on this one. Mixing bowl, and I've got a whole chicken there which I've quartered. Now you can be cutting this chicken however you want, much smaller, or you know, in half if you wanted. So look, I've got the skin is on, the bone is in, just cleaned and quartered. We're simply going to chuck a load of stuff in, leave it for a few hours, then we're going to cook it. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of star anise in there, beautiful flavour. And then I've got some soy. So we're going to get this soy sauce in there. And these are all going to be about equal parts of everything I'm putting in now. So soy sauce. This is fish sauce. This is a sweet chili. This is ketchup, tomato ketchup. Yeah, all kind of the same sort of size or amounts. Optional, a few chili flakes there. Some black pepper. Now we're not going to be putting any salt into this because that fish sauce and the soy is definitely salty enough. Now I'm going to go for some chopped fresh ginger. Let's go here like 1-2 tablespoons, and then garlic about the same, 1-2, very roughly. What we're going to do now, we're going to give that a mix, then we're going to get it into our refrigerator. We're going to put some plastic on it, shrink wrap or cling film, whatever you call that, and you want to leave that for at least 4 hours, but overnight will be absolutely wonderful. See you at the next step. Okay, so we're at the cooker now. There's our chicken. In here I've got some oil. I'm using a little bit of sunflower oil. So we're going to just take the chicken out, and in it goes. Now I want a very low fire here, because this chicken, like I say, it's in quarters, it's quite large. Plus all of that stickiness from the ketchup and that, if you've got it on too high, it'll just really burn quickly. So a nice kind of low heat. What we're going to do is we're going to fry this chicken like 4 to 5 minutes aside, and I'll be back. Don't throw any of that away, we're going to be using it. Okay, so as you can see, I've flipped this over again. Looking absolutely wonderful. But the next step, all of that mixture that we had from before now goes in. And to that, we're also going to add some oyster sauce, which again is about the same amount as the parts of the marination. So again, on a low heat, because we now need to cook all that marination off, because that's had raw chicken sitting in it, of course, as you know. We need to cook this low heat for about another 5, 6, 7 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. I'll see you then. Okay, off goes the heat, and that's done. We've got some beautifully cooked, sticky chicken there. Let me get that on the plate. Okay, and there you go. Just going to finish this off with some green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you may call them. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.